Learn English. A phrase is a group of words without a finite verb. A phrase is sensibly arranged within the sentence and conveys a single idea. A phrase can never stand alone, but is always part of a sentence. A phrase is also referred to as a fragment of a sentence. The shop around the corner is open 24 hours a day. The company, specializing in travel, received the award. Phrases may be classified as 1. Adjectival phrases. These qualify, tell us more about, the noun. 2. Noun phrases. These answer the questions who or what in connection with the noun. 3. Adverbial phrases. These modify the verb and answer the questions as indicated. 3. Adverbial phrases. These modify the verb and answer the questions as indicated. Adverbial phrase of manner, how. The boy entered the house happily and confidently. How did he enter the house? Adverbial phrase of time, when. The boy entered the house at 6 o'clock. When did he enter the house? Adverbial phrase of place, where. The boy in the house was reading a book. Where was he? Adverbial phrase of reason, why. The boy, wanting to read, entered the house. Why did he enter the house? Adverbial phrase of concession, although, even though. The boy, although tired, read his book. Even though he was tired, what did he do? Enjoyed this video? Then please subscribe for more videos from Learn English.